see?
It's a knife.
So guys, here we've got a ABC car. What kind of car is this? A Porsche 911 GT 3. Yes guys, so it's not only an ABC car, it's a Porsche. I'd love one of these, but in yellow for myself. Yes, so guys, so we're gonna unbox it. We bought it from TK Maxx and we paid, how much did you pay for it, babes? £20. And it's for 24 months old plus. Nicholas is 1, but his dad still bought this for him because he's advanced for his age. So guys, can I get the knife? We will get thingy for this. Eh?
You just speak the help.
I should look at your face just because I have to do something.
I'm not even doing anything. I'm just sitting here recording.
I can't see anywhere else to pull.
Don't need no knife. Grip on twisting, I'll do it.
So the unboxing, it goes to so there's two screws at the bottom that you have to unscrew, which is so hard. I don't know why they make it like this.
That's what it's done.
Oh, is it? It's actually cool.
Oh, Nicholas, right. Yeah.
Nicholas is using OTT. So these are the bits that comes in the bottom of it. These like screws.
What exactly is this for?
Huh?
What's this for?
Oh.
These screws and something. I don't understand that. Right, pass me the
Nicholas
knife.
and his friends. What?
What? Okay.
This is dangerous. And guys, we had to buy batteries for them. So we bought some batteries. Because they take, how many batteries?
6.
6 batteries.
6 or 5.
And it also comes with a remote control, guys. So let's see. Nicholas want to play with it already, as you guys can see. Nicholas wants to play with it already, so I have to undo that. I'll do this to make it quicker for the cameraman, because he's not so happy.
Want me some batteries?
But this bit need batteries as well.
Yeah. Of course.
I'm trying to put it, but it's not doing it. Go through it.
Batteries then?
No, I can't pull it. I'm trying. I tried. Activities, connection, fine motor skills. Does it sing as well? Roll and rail. Let's see what the Porsche does. Because if it doesn't do something good, you know what that means. Going back.
Going down.
Where's the dominant put down on you? What have done with the leg touch it now? Because you know he likes this car that Porsche worked for him.
Is that?
Yeah, he actually likes it. I've seen him play with it a couple of times. He likes it.
Then you put it down.
But you sure you want to do it? Because he's got it for
Look,
himself.
I know, just shake it, look. And just shaking what he does. Ridiculous.
Because it's full control. You don't understand. You don't understand what's going on.
Yeah.
You don't want that. Oh. Okay. Come on, Nicholas. Nicholas. This
Keep
makes
it under.
work.
Let me try this.
You will figure it out.